Hey there, Batman fans. Anyways, we're back again, as you guys can see. Today, now that Batman fans, we are back. We're back. And, today, I got another unboxing. This time, we're gonna react. I got two flashlights to unbox. We got a black one, and we got a red one. So we're gonna do both of them, and see how it is. These look different than the other flashlights I have, like this one. I'll show you the rest of the other flashlights later after this video. All right, so here we go. Let's start unboxing the red one first. All right. Okay. There we go. Oh, wow. That looks awesome. Okay. Well, we'll we'll do that later. Now let's open the black one. Here's the black one. It's also called the Super Bright LED flashlight. This is what the unboxing video is about. So now let's unbox the black one. Okay. Okay, hang on. Trying to get this. Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, here's the black one. Right here. These are new ones. They look different than the other flashlights I have. Okay, now let's start putting batteries in them, see how they work. Let's do the red one first. Also, I did get batteries with it. I got super heavy duty batteries, AAA. Now let's see how this goes. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Let's take 3 of them. Alrighty. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So let's put this on top here. This on top here. Whoops. Drop my battery. Okay. Put it in here. Okay. All right. Now let's do the black one now. Same thing, huh? Alright. Alright. Oh, whoa. Hang on. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Anyway, Batman fans, if you're liking this video already, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout outs to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman Fitchway Batman. And let me know in the comment section below, Batman fans, what video games you subscribed, what video games want to see me play next. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fitchway Batman doing an unboxing video of the super bright LED flashlight. Okay. So here we go. Now let's see if they work. Ooh. Looks awesome. Okay. Now let's see the black one now. Yep. Same thing. So yeah, Batman fans, they're both awesome. They're both good. Okay, Batman fans. Well, that's the super bright LED flashlight unboxing. I'll also show you my other flashlights I have done unboxing on. Like this one. This one still works. Still got this one. Still works. I still got this one. I'm not sure I don't know where I got this one from. This one still works. I still got this flashlight. Awesome. And also still got this flashlight. So yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fitchway Batman. So yeah, that is the super bright LED flashlight unboxing. Batman fans, if you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on notifications every time we do videos. Shout out to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman Fitchway Batman. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman Fitchway Batman. I will see you on the next one. See ya, Batman fans.